IR sensor. That is also known infrared sensor. When I put our hand in front of this IR sensor, this light will switch on. Windmill is the machine that converts wind into electricity. I'm show the model of windmill. This is the fan, this is DC motor, this is straw, and this is battery.
Can you show me the working? Very nice, very nice.
Good morning everyone, my name is Aswanta, studying in grade 2. Today I am making a windmill. Windmill is a machine that converts air into electricity.
Very good. And
I am now showing the model. This is the fan, this is the DC motor, this is the steam stick, this is the LED, and this is the battery, and this is the wire.
now can you show me how it works?
Yes. Hello everyone, we have made this project. The name of the project is Advanced Electric Circuit. We have made this project by using the ball, switch, battery, breadboard. See, make this project. Anand will tell about this project. See, we use battery, jumper wire, switch, resistor, LED, and this breadboard. When we on this switch, the current flow to LED and LED will on. And when we off this, the LED will off. Thank you. Buzzer is the machine that works on the basis of the current which is given to it, and it can make noise according to the instructions given to it by Arduino or battery.
Okay, explain me about this circuit.
The circuit works on the basis of current given to it by battery, and it goes to the wires, and then the wires supply the current to the LED and the buzzer in the form of voltage.
Can you show me? Very good.